Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Can you recognize this plant? Yes, this is the periwinkle plant, which is also known as the Sadabahar plant. We just uploaded a video on this a few days earlier. And in today's video, I'll be giving you an update of the previous video. In our earlier videos, we told you how we grow our plants from seeds. We also told you some tips and tricks on how you can make your plant more bushier. And after doing those tips and tricks, our plants grew much more healthier and bushier. Not only is it bushy, but it's also very healthy. It also has many blooms on it. Aside from its beauty, it also has many benefits, such as it has been used in making traditional medicine to treat diabetes, high blood pressure and infections. Not only that, but it can also thrive in arid regions. That's why, to keep our garden more bushier and healthier, my mom keeps on propagating this plant to get more plants. Aside from that, it can be also used for praying purposes. Do you know that this plant is also known as a lucky plant? Because some believe that periwinkle brings good luck and positivity to your house. And do you know, if you make periwinkle tree using 4 to 5 flowers for one person, they can get all the medicinal benefits of this plant? This is because this plant has many antioxidants which help in preventing cancer. But some people still say that even after consuming, they still cannot get any of its medicinal benefits. This is because, as this is a herbal way, you must consume it for a long time to get its benefits. Also, make sure to dig your plants time to time. As you know, digging helps in aeration. Also, if you dig your plants before giving any kind of fertilizer, it will help your plant absorb it better. Not only that, but digging also helps in removing all the weeds. As you saw in this video, we gave a liquid manure earlier, and we are also giving one right now. The liquid manure that my mom is giving to the plants right now is actually rainwater mixed with some rice water. My mom always harvests the rainwater whenever it rains in Delhi, as rainwater contains a lot of minerals, and those are really good for your plants. And the manure that we gave earlier in this video was actually liquid compost. If you want to know how you can make it, make sure to check our channel's playlist. You'll be able to find many other tutorials of fertilizers except that video itself. That's all for today. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.